Thank you, Coast City Technical Company. I have received my machine. It has been installed here in Benin City. It was installed yesterday, Friday, 10th of March 2023, and it's working. It worked overnight. See the 2 units that came with the 100 capacity ice block machine. Here are the 2 units. And the machine worked overnight. I already have block inside. I want to say thank you once again. I received my machine. It was pay on delivery. It was when I saw my machine that I made payment to Coast City. You can see the machine. 100 capacity ice block machine. Thank you very much, Coast City. Nice doing business with you. We only met through the internet, and I placed my order here today. I'm happy my machine is here. It's working. Thank you very much. All the way to Benin City from Aba. This machine worked from around 5 p.m. yesterday, March 10th, 2023, till this morning, March 11, before the power holding company sees their lights around 6:30 a.m. Let me open the inside and you see. You can see. See, as I have block here this morning. Is the inside. So you can see I have block already inside this morning. Thank you, Coast City. I received my machine and it started working fine.